Open debate for ladies. Can your can your friends sit on your boyfriend's lap? So yeah, really. Your head is paining you. Don't try me. Oh. That's very simple. I don't even try. I'm not even trying to. Nah, please. Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to Chika'S corner. My name is Chika, and I have to apologize with all my chest and all my heart for going AWOL on y'all. Please forgive me. But I'm happy to be back. Being back feels good. And this is very impromptu because I actually miss doing this. I've been off social media for about a week. Yeah, for a week. But I'm gonna be back really soon because I'm shooting this, so it means something. Well, today I don't have a topic in mind. I have a lot of things I want to say. Wow, it sounds so deep. I have a lot of things I want to put in like one video. That's what I mean. I have a lot of things I want to put in one video, so I'm going to take the liberty to do a reaction video to all the things I've seen on the internet in a while. So it's just going to be a collage of different memes, different relationship talks, different relationship advice, and I hope you like that. Yeah, thank you and God bless. Okay, so the first one: does love equal sex? I don't think in this current age people should be asking that question. It's kind of a thin century. No, love does not. What's wrong with my voice? No, love does not equal sex in no way or form. Love is love, sex is sex, and I think sex is very hormonal. The hormones that control sex are very temporary. So when you're done with that process, when you're done with the sex, you have this momentary satisfaction and fulfillment, and it just So you can have love without sex, and you can have sex without love. Yeah, mutually exclusive or not exclusive. I don't know. So yeah, next one. Gotta start before that. It says kings. Broke girls will stunt your growth. They will hinder your development. You will have it very hard achieving your goals. They will make you suffer for two when you're supposed to be thinking of doubling your 100K. They will half it for you. Avoid them like a plague. Okay, I'm tired of hearing this narrative. Guys always pull this narrative every single time. It's actually annoying and exhausting. First things first, you go after girls you know you cannot afford. You know you're barely trying to survive on your own. Then you add another girl in the mix. You put her there, and you know you cannot afford her. She's expensive. Her hair, 100K. Her nails, 10,000 naira. Her outfit, 35K. You know she's not in your league, but you want a slay queen. You want someone who looks good. You want someone who looks good for the camera. You want someone who is selfie worthy. You want someone who's social media savvy. You want all of these things, and you actually get her, and she's telling you, okay, before I met you, these were the things I used to do. So now, what's the problem? In as much as I'm not the type of person to encourage, someone feeding off someone, a parasitic relationship. I'm just saying, there are girls who like simple life. There are people who like simple lifestyles, who don't care about human hair, who don't care about any of these things, who don't care about nails. They like all those. Get someone that standard. If you have a budget, get someone your budget. Capish? Thank you and God bless. And this one says, girls will cut you off because they like you too much. Y'all are crazy. Then I like the tweet on there because somebody replied to it and said, usually liking you too much without the same being reciprocated. Speak the whole truth or forever hold your peace out. It's very true. It's facts. Facts on every level. If I'm not getting the same energy, if I'm not getting the same vibe, I'm calling you 247, I'm texting you 24/7, I'm trying to reach you, I'm worried, and you call me at your convenience, you text me when you're bored, you're trying to reach me when there is nothing else to do. Oh, I haven't done every other thing, now I called this girl. I'm sorry. I don't want to have to be in that situation. That situation is depressing. And it makes me question my self-worth, makes me question my self-esteem, makes me insecure, makes me wonder what I'm not doing right. And when the truth is, it's your fault for not, caring for me as much as I do you, I'd rather cut you off. Cut you off and move on. That being said, moving on. This one says, don't ignore red flags because of desperation. Facts. What she said. I don't have to say so much after that. I mean, that's very explanatory. Don't ignore red flags. I mean, sometimes it's nice because, oh my god, we're in love. It's so nice, we just met, everything is so good, everything is so perfect. But red flags are red flags. The things you can't deal within a year, don't try to shove them at the back now, because trust me, they'll come back to bite you. And beauty or handsomeness and richness or whatever things that are material and you feel like they're so beautiful, they can only give you peace of mind for a while. Yeah, moving on. Random question: is it acceptable for your man / woman to comment on someone's picture calling them sexy, gorgeous, or handsome? Well, I don't mind. It's not one of the things I'm particularly insecure about. I mean, everybody has something that they're insecure about. It's not one of those things for me. But I have a problem if that's what you're constantly doing. The minute you get on the gram or any other social media platform, you're all there saying, can I be your lover? Drip, drip, drip. Oh, you look so gorgeous. I mean, you're thirsty, bro. Haven't you had some to drink? Haven't you had some to eat? What is it? Why are you so thirsty? Why are you so thirsty? Which brings me to one that says, and I know there's one that said, there is nothing attractive about a nigga who is in every girl's DM. That shit is low and disgusting. It is. Like, there is nothing attractive. It's not. I don't know why guys feel like it's an achievement. It's like, oh my god, if you see the number of girls where they reply me for my DM, if you see me, hey, if you see the kind of girls where I get for my DM, you go to yeah, bro, it's disgusting. It makes you thirsty. Thirst trap. Drink some water. Mind your business. Thank you. God bless. This one says, it's actually really hilarious to me. Am I prettier than your ex? Then the guy replies, yeah, in many aspects. I say, oh, thanks, baby. This is insecurity in raw form. Like, why are you so insecure? What's that? Why? What's your business? Am I prettier than your ex? Why do you have to shoot that? That's a very stupid question if you ask me. Like, the caption says, don't chicken out. Ask your boyfriend if you're prettier than his ex and send me a screenshot. That's dumb if you ask me. Like, why? Why is that even up for conversation? Why is that even up for a debate? Why is that in the front burner in a relationship? Am I prettier than you? Like, does that even make any sense? That just shines your insecurity and brings them to the forefront and says, this girl is very, I'm sorry, like, that's none of my business. And human beings are so fickle. I'm sorry, and maybe that sounds offensive, but human beings are very fickle that what turns me on now, what makes me excited now, might not, like, get me excited in the next 6 months or 1 year. So it's not like we particularly live habitual lives, that we live a life that we follow through to the end. So you might be pretty to me now, but I get a new girlfriend a new boyfriend, and he's not as hot. You're not as hot as he is, and so I don't know. It's just so It's just so weird. Like, what's that, sis? This one says, don't date someone until you have discussed social issues together, culture, beliefs, their political views, the way they look at life when it comes to these topics. Some of our crushes' minds are really shallow. Goodness gracious, disappointing. This person first things first sounds very angry and annoyed. It's like he just found out that his crush thinks Channing Tatum is the best thing since sliced bread. So he's really angry. But yeah, I do agree with the concept. Like, this thing, social issues like cultural beliefs, political views, religious views, how to feel about gay rights, and a lot of things, fraud, internet fraud. There are a lot of things like you never understand. Like, you're talking to someone and you're really like attracted to them, and they tell you, internet fraud, they didn't white people, didn't slave trade happen. It's just us getting back at them. Really? What? Seriously? This one says, women are so entitled when it comes to their interest in men. We feel like a man must dance to our tune when we express interest in him. When he refuses, we get angry or feel rejected. auntie. Everyone has rights to decide who they want to be with. No one owes you a relationship. While I agree with this, I have to say that there's been 2,000 and something years of patriarchy, and I mean, women have never been the ones to, ask men out. It's never been a thing. It's never been something that we are used to. It's been like 95-5, then over the century, maybe 90-10, and maybe in this generation, 80-20. So when a girl hits you up, she feels like she's doing you a favor, like giving you a head start. I've done the 250 meters. Brother, can you go the rest of the, 101 million kilometers? Can you go through that? I already gave you I gave you 250 meters. I liked your pictures, I followed you. I'm expecting a DM in my DMs, like, bro, where are you? So yeah, I think that's how it is. And it's going to take a lot of shaking and a lot of generations to pass for us to, for it to be fair game. I don't know if there will ever be a fair game, for it to be like fair play, fair game. Like a woman can ask a man out, a man can ask a woman out. There's no problem. There's no sexism. There's no feminism. There's nothing. Just it's a normal thing. It's not a big deal. I don't know when that will be. Probably not be alive by that time. Anton says a lot of you females are becoming the men that broke your heart. Yeah. Hurt people. Truth. Hurt people actually hurt people. So as much as you're trying to avoid being hurt or being in that situation where a guy broke your heart, where a nigga did you dirty, you're trying to, maneuver your way around it, you just become very sad and very, sometimes evil. Just, I don't care, whatever. I'll do right by me. I only think about me, self-love first, self-expression first. I mean, I'm self-aware, that type thing. This one says, a relationship without trust is like having a phone with no service. And what do you do with a phone with no service? You play games, or you watch videos, or you look at your old pictures, or you read a book, like me. But nice wordplay, I mean. And yeah, trust is very important. I think trust is what holds a relationship together. It's like the glue. I think trust is more important than love. Yeah, in some cases. But a lot of relationships in this generation, a lot of people don't have trust. But they just think, oh my God, love. Love is good, but no trust will give you no peace of mind, make you very insecure, self-esteem down the charts, insecurity topping the charts. There's so many things that could happen, and you get very paranoid, checking your partner's phone 247. What's he doing? What's she saying? Who's she talking to? That kind of thing. And I don't know about anybody, but that's a stress, because half the time what you're looking for you shall find. Moving on. Dear ladies, it's your right to know what a man's intention towards you is. Very true. You have to actually know. I know a lot of people will tell you, no, la la la, go with the flow. I'm sorry. I don't want to be left in the flow. I don't want to get caught up in the flow, so I'm sorry. This one says, money debates. Ladies, do y'all want your man lying to you to protect your feelings, or do you want the ugly truth? Any person that lies to me to protect my feelings, Tonta will fire you. Yeah, I want the truth. Tell me, no matter how cold, hard, bitter, whatever they say about truth is, tell it to me. I will decide what to do with it. Let me ruminate on it and think about it and say, okay, this is what I want to do with it. I don't want it to be in a situation where you're not lying to me, because I feel like your lies will always catch up with you. Give it 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, sometimes 50 years, but it will always catch up with you. So please tell me the truth. I will decide what to do with it. We have come to the end of this. I don't know, this whole thing just, comes up really sad to me, because everything here is so deep. There's nothing even funny that I could even laugh about, like okay, I just laughed for everything. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my corner. Thank you for being in my corner today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe just down below. I promise I'll be on social media very soon. I'll try my best to come back on there. But it's let me say, being on social media has been very peaceful, I'll be very honest, and I've learned to leave the dopamine effect somewhere. You know, the dopamine effect where you're addicted to likes, comments, and all of that. I've learned to, you know, not pick up my phone and look for Instagram, and I've learned to wake up in the morning and not touch my phone. There's so many things I've gotten out of it, so I feel like this social media fast has been great for me. Yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and you can follow me on all social media platforms. I will be back, but just still follow me at officialchica_. And until I see you some other time, I love you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you with all the heart, with all the